Hello everyone, sorry for being MIA here the last couple months. Finally getting my bearings back. I can actually see my desk now. A lot of inventory coming and going. The car shows are starting already. Seems crazy, but we just finished up the Minneapolis Auto Show. I'd also like to thank everyone for that did come out and see us. We had a very good response. I'd like to show you the car we brought up there too, one of my personal favorites in inventory right now. I'd like to take a few minutes also and kind of show you some of the great inventory we have right now, and hopefully you guys truthfully take the opportunity, check out our inventory, keep an eye on it, because legitimately it's, I hate to say it, but they're flying out the door. All right guys, here it is. So the car I was telling you about at the Minneapolis Auto Show. Just gorgeous, the color. I wish it was out in the open so you guys could really see it. 41 Cadillac, modern drivetrain, fuel injected Cadillac motor, air conditioning, power windows, power seats. I mean, it's fully loaded, power top, newer Avalanche, Chevy Avalanche color, leather seats. The car is absolutely stunning, and it has been built to honestly take it cross country tomorrow if you wanted to. Truly amazing, 4-wheel disc brakes. Definitely a car you're not going to see at your everyday car show. We received a ton of interest. A lot of folks, you know, wanting to possibly upgrade the current classic car they have, which this is a great candidate. We'll move on down the line here, Dylan. Another one we just got in. Well, we just got this one in, 69 Corvette RT. Obviously, Jeff already sold it. That's how busy it's been. I don't think we even had it 2 weeks. Another one we just got in, 2011 Camaro. Super low miles, and guys, the snow's gone, the season's here, and before we know it, the season will be gone again. Convertible, 3,500 miles on the car. Can't beat it. Another hot item for us, honestly, for several years, are any low mile, late model sports car. The Mustangs are extremely popular. Very rare color for these. You don't see them a lot. That car's got 13,000 miles on it. Just a blast to drive. Another convertible, 68 Chevelle convertible. Don't see those. 396 car. A lot of inventory, folks. Another one that you're not going to see, and you've probably heard me say before too, another personal favorite of mine are the square body pickups. We got several of those right now that are very nice. They're from down south. They're not all rusted, haven't been all butchered and hacked. So keep an eye on that one. 65, excuse me, Ranchero with a V8, another cool little rig. I can't brag about them enough, folks. Look at the inventory. 64 Impala, always a personal favorite of a lot of other folks too. It is a 2-door hardtop. Cool thing about this one, it's a numbers matching 409. Definitely another one you don't see. We haven't even had that car online for 2 days, and it's getting an unbelievable amount of attention. Another cream puff, if you will, is this 71 GMC. You don't see a lot of the GMCs in these. It is a long box, but it doesn't matter on this one. Factory AC, truly a cream puff. So, that being said, I am very excited for the upcoming season. We're already talking car shows. We got several large shows we're going to be at. Watch for our trailer. Watch for our guys walking around with our t-shirts on. Come say hi. Have a car you're interested in selling, call me. Another thing that's becoming very popular, and we've been noticing it for years, but now more so folks are buying them and seeking these out, is, you know, kind of like the Cadillac, to where it's got the fuel injected motor, overdrive transmission, the modern day comfort features. We actually have a few of those right now. I got a 57 Chevy that's got a fuel injected motor. It's got all the bells and whistles. Very nice. I just sold a 56 Chevy Wagon, same deal. And honestly, that car didn't even make the internet. I went out, took a few pictures of my cell phone, it's gone. So watch for those type of things, because if it's here, you see it online, it won't be there very long. It will sell. So again, I'm looking very forward to the shows. Stop out, say hi. Tell me or Dylan, anybody that you saw our videos, you appreciate them, and can't wait to see you. It's priced right. Definitely not gonna go. Yeah, I forgot what I was gonna say. That said. Call Dylan, call anybody. Yeah, that sounds dumb. Exit that out.